timeline से शुरू करते हैं.
Okay.
Started with the T20 World Cup where she spoke about the fitness and certain players in the group not kind of living up to the standards. I think first up that was a very unfair statement. Just make it right during the World Cup itself, because पहले तो तुम नाम नहीं ले रहे हो, पहले तो तुम evidence नहीं दे रहे हो, so it just feels like a blanket statement that you're trying to give for the sake of engagement and to rile up controversies. Actually, do you think if she had actually taken names and given proper evidence, this is not working out well, it just felt like a blanket statement. So it started right there. You could feel, ki, again, John Lewis spoke about it, ऐसे कैसे बोल सकते हैं, like, Alex Hartley and this and that. And again, during this series, she spoke about the whole athleticism aspect, and then England just not competing on par with Australia. And then we saw the whole Sophie Ecclestone fiasco where she refused to give the interview to Alex Hartley and all of that. Maybe she felt targeted or whatever happened. But then I feel unless you give concrete evidence, it's just very unfair to be like, fitness ka ye nahi hai, they're just not doing this right. And yeah, it just feels like you're doing it for the clicks and not to actually, create some change in that setup. Yeah.
But again, is it Alex Hartley's job to change the system? Her job is to call the game as she sees.
Okay.
Her job is to give out her opinions, firstly. Secondly, you also need to understand when she was calling that game, she's also an England cricket fan. She's also supporting
former player also, 2017 winner.
अरे वो तो of course पता है, मैं वही तो बोल रहा था. So it's also we need to understand that it's coming from a place of genuine concern कि यार मेरी टीम कैसे हार गई against a side like West Indies. So वो भी था. We need to understand. We all expect broadcasters and commentators to be very neutral.
Objective.
हाँ, वो नहीं हो सकता है हमेशा. वो नहीं हो सकता. Like हमारा expectation जाहिर है. We are not wrong in expecting that, but we also need to give them some benefit of doubt. जब ऐसे crucial games में, जब इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया के सामने हारती है 19 नवंबर को, we need to give some leeway because emotions है भाई, we are human.
But Akshay, when you talk about fitness and athleticism and the whole aspect of like body image and all of that, right? It's a very sensitive topic. अगर उनको convey करना ही था, she's a former player, she has a podcast with Kate Cross. I'm sure she's friends with the other people. These are matters you convey privately as well, right? You don't have to like publicly say something like that because it kind of affects the psyche of the players as well. अगर तुमको लगता ही है कि fitness का problem है, talk to the management, you talk to the players one-on-one. But the moment you say it on air, it feels like you're doing it for the clicks. You're doing it.
But again, how do you draw that parallel? Because firstly, like I said earlier, it's not her job to change the system. If she does that,
what did you say, Akshay? You said ki it is coming from a place of genuine care and she wants the team to perform well. Convey it personally. Because
so how do you know she's not done that? How do you know she's not done that?
अरे publicly बोला ना पहले
तो. publicly बोला. So okay, I'm just creating a hypothetical scenario. What if she's actually been saying this in private for the last 2 years? और फिर भी कुछ नहीं आया. Now she's also annoyed and she brought it out. Like this again. Okay. I'm not saying this is what happened. Point being, I don't think Alex Hartley did anything wrong. As a broadcaster, as a commentator, she was calling the game as she is. And I agree. I completely understand where you're coming from. In women's cricket, some like body image issues and all of that is a very sensitive topic and you need to sort of tread carefully. Yeah. Agreed. I completely agree. But I don't think she ever said anything on those lines. Jitna maine bhi suna hai, she's only spoken about how fitness they need to be.
But certain girls are letting down the team. Are aise bologe to.
But agar wo,
it feels very direct.
But my question is, sure, maybe that could have been avoided. Maybe she didn't have to say certain girls. Sure, that one bit agreed. But agar wo bolte ki inka fitness acha nahi hai, they need to be a lot more fitter to be able to do well at the highest level of the sport. I don't think she's saying anything wrong. And to be honest, if anything, it proves the point that all these English players are being mollycoddled. They're living in a bubble कि इनको कुछ change ही नहीं करना है.
Izzy Westbury.
हाँ, अगर ऐसे तुम personally ले लोगे तो फिर बचता क्या है? उसका काम है problem को like to say कि there is a problem. If she has to give the solution, तो ECB क्या कर रही है? Coach क्या कर रहे हैं? Support staff क्या कर रहे हैं? Why is it her job to give to give a solution? So that's where I stand. As a broadcaster, as a commentator, I think she did her job. She wanted to highlight certain issues and
maybe it could have been done in a better way.
Sure. Maybe, but I still think there was...
again, with some of the England players, kind of boycotting her, not agreeing to talk to her, it is slightly unfair. Matlab,
that was
that means
very
some of them have
stupid.
taken it personally and they feel it is directed at them.
हाँ, तो अभी वहाँ पे तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि couldn't the players then have messaged Alex कि यार तुम्हें ये नहीं करना चाहता, couldn't you?
शायद किया होगा.
तो वही ना
Through
अभी
Kate Cross.
हाँ हाँ वही तो वही
Yeah.
point है कि we're not privy to what's happening inside the
Yeah.
dressing room or behind, you know, I mean, yeah, beyond the field.
Yeah.
So it is always going to be us speculating.
But don't you think when someone is already down, if you're just piling on their misery more by not providing constructive, solutions to the problem, matlab, this problem exists, they know, no? But if you're just piling on the problems by telling generic statements like this, ki, haan, matlab,
Who
fitness
told you they know the problem? वही तो ना, like that
okay,
was the point. They haven't acknowledged it. So that clearly means वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ. Which is why I said her job is to first highlight कि there's a problem so that ये सबके दिमाग में जाए कि okay there's a problem. Right now they haven't reached that stage.
But then this also begs the fundamental question that as commentators, broadcasters, pundits of the game, what is your job? To pass opinions like this, or are you trying to objectively comment on the game? And I don't know if we'll ever. What is objectivity, right? I mean,
A bit of both,
how
right?
do you,
It can't be just
objective
one.
can't be a mix of both, no?
I'm saying
yeah.
objectively call the game, but also understand where it is important to give your opinions. If you feel genuinely something is wrong,
ठीक है.
like वो है ना वो journalist का वो okay. I mean it is a very famous thing कि I mean ठीक है छोड़ो. She's not a journalist. She's not a journalist. So
But she's a broadcaster, which
so
is somewhere in the realm of journalism.
वो reporters में एक है. There's a thing. I'm forgetting. Some famous reporter had mentioned this कि as a reporter, as a TV reporter, जब एक बोलता है कि बाहर बारिश हो रहा है, like if someone says it's raining outside and one more person says it's not, your job isn't to just say कि हाँ this person said it's raining outside.
You go check it yourself,
yeah,
right?
your job is to go out, look outside the window and see what's happening.
Yeah.
So similarly, her job isn't to just मतलब हाँ अभी बॉल आया, हाँ अभी इसने चौका मारा, उतना ही नहीं. It's not limited to that. It's also important that where necessary she gives out her opinions. Does that mean she needs to be opinionated all the time? Absolutely not. जहाँ पे objectivity ला सकता हूँ वहाँ पे objective रहूँ. जहाँ पे मौका मिलता है, where there's room for opinions, go for it. Do you like this player? You cannot be objective about it. I don't or I do. बस हो गया काम.
Maybe she could have framed it better. We kind of come back to that sort of a thing. But again, I think there are two ways of seeing this sort of a situation because fitness is thoda sensitive issue. Matlab,
I agree, but I think in this case, for me personally, the reason why I say it was necessary for someone like that to call it out, because ECB and England, the England women's cricket team has always been considered to be one of the best cricket teams, if not the best. And given the expectations and given the fact that there's a lot of investments being done, you would expect certain results, यार.
Yeah.
हम इंडिया में 2 सीजन के WPL के बाद ही हम लोग बोल रहे लोग वर्ल्ड कप हार के आ गए. वहां पे तो सदियों से like it's been a good 30 years वहां पे proper organized investment infrastructure सब आया है. So if despite that if these are the performances, it is important someone calls it out and it is some light is shed on it. So that's where I'm coming from.
Cricket.